This store operates on a dropshipping model and sells a wonderful product perfect for couples. And last month, it made over $19,000 by selling these products through dropshipping without spending a dollar on advertising. All they did was create a TikTok account, where they post daily content featuring these products and place a link to the store in the bio. As soon as customers click on it, they are immediately directed to this very simple product page and start buying the product. They sell the product for about $50, while the product cost is approximately $10, enabling them to achieve a large profit margin with over 300 orders last month. That is why today I will teach you how to get started in dropshipping, how to create a very simple online store, and how to find a supplier who can supply you with products at low cost so you can achieve a high profit. Subscribe to the channel and like this video as I post profitable products daily and teach you how to start in dropshipping. The first step is to register an account and create an online store on Shopify, which provides a 3-day free trial, with the first month costing only $1 instead of $39. You'll find the registration link in the video description. Click on it and then start creating an account. We can skip this step, and here we start by selecting the country where we will sell, then click Next and then register an account with your email and password. The second step is finding a supplier to import products into the online store, who will also be responsible for shipping these products to customers. This supplier is Zendrop. Zendrop has millions of products, including many profitable ones, and also provides auto-fulfillment, fast shipping and professional support. We'll start by installing this app on the store, and after installing Zendrop, we can access it by clicking on Apps and then selecting Zendrop. Here we can search for the product we want to sell, and you'll find many categories on Zendrop with many profitable products. These are the products the person sells on their store. For example, this is their best-selling product. Here you'll find the available information about the product, including the product cost, and below, you'll find variations such as the available colors and sizes for the product. Here is the product cost, here is the shipping cost, which varies by country, and you can select any country from here. Here you'll find the total cost, and here you'll find the average shipping time. To add this product to the store, click on Add to My Products, and then you can go back and add more products in the same way. Next, click on My Products and you'll find the product here. Start by clicking on Review and Publish, and here, edit everything before publishing it on the store, such as the name, product description, variations, and also the selling price. I might sell this product for around $50, so I'll start by changing the selling price on all products. Here, the total profit per unit sold is displayed, and here you can choose the images to publish on the store. Next, click on Publish to My Store, then confirm, and the product is published on the store. If we go to the store and click on Products, we'll find the product here. Open this product, and here you can edit all the product details such as name, description, images, and product price. To see the product page on the online store, click Preview. This is the product page on the store, but the product page design is not professional. To create a professional product page, I've left a full tutorial on setting up a professional online store on Shopify in the video description. But let me quickly run a test now to see if, when a customer orders this product, it gets sent to Zendrop, allowing me to ship it to them. I'll start by ordering the product, creating a test order. Here on the online store, I'll see that the order appears in the Orders section on Shopify. If I go to Zendrop and refresh, I'll find the order is indeed here, and I can now ship it to the customer. This is the order, here are the product details, and here is the product cost, which includes the product cost plus the shipping cost. I can now ship this order to the customer by clicking on Fulfill Order and start sending it to the customer. Zendrop will handle the packaging and ship the order to the customer, but I need to add a balance equal to this product's cost here, either by bank card or PayPal. The customer would have paid you for this order through the payment gateway you connected to Shopify, whether it is Stripe, PayPal, or any other available gateways, and then you start shipping this order to them by adding balance and clicking on Fulfill Order. One benefit of Zendrop is that it provides you with around 25 orders that you can fulfill in the free plan. If you make a profit and want to subscribe to a paid plan, click on Upgrade. The paid plans offer auto-fulfillment, so you won't be doing this manually. Instead, you enable the auto-fulfillment option here, and as soon as an order arrives in Zendrop, it gets fulfilled and shipped to the customer automatically. Next, create an account on TikTok and Instagram, post daily content about the product, and add the store link in the bio. This process is very simple, and thousands of people are working in the same way and making thousands of dollars. I wish you a happy journey in e-commerce. Goodbye.